Hey everyone, let's jump on to the second version of this exercise here. Okay, we're doing exercise 3 in case you didn't know, and the textbook we're using has this cover page over here. Okay, again, you can find it online. Matter of fact, these are slides, you guys, which I happen to get online. Okay, so let me jump on to this problem over here. Zoom in a little bit. Oops, there was too much of it. Okay, so again, we're doing exercise 3. So here's the deal. I'll go for I. If you did check out my previous solution on this exercise over here, you would recall that I had a variable to store the name that we are, or that I will display. However, this time around I thought, you know what, there's absolutely no need for that. Okay, so let me just do things this way. Again, I'm playing around with my range function. Okay, so I'll simply go print I. We want to do integer division because I will start from 2. It will go 2, 4, 6, 8, so on and so forth, up to 100, up to 200. So that's why I'll divide each and every value of I. Okay, I'll do integer division though. So this is the name that I'll be displaying. I'll put it right there. Okay, let me just simply put a B over there. Now let's hit the run button and see what we get. Perhaps it's a good idea to go. We perform integer division on the values of I. Okay, let's just hit run, see what we get. Oops. Here we go again. Why do I keep missing the in keyword? Exactly what we're expecting, except that my surname isn't correctly spelled. However, that's not the point, you guys. You shouldn't miss the point. The point is we've got to have a name. We could, I could put anything here. I could put anything here, even something that is in the English language. Okay, except that I don't know shit other than my language and the one I'm using as I'm teaching. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this tutorial, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.